in downtown Chinatown. Oh, sorry. We're in Calgary, Chinatown. With these two ladies. My daughter and my wifey.
What? Wow, ang cute naman si Juan.
Here. Shortcut.
I thought you called me Bruja. What? Remember, we're together forever.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Shortcut tayo. Papuntang... What's that building? Papunta sa other building. Ano? Oh, daming ano. Yeah, next time. Doon sa may Silver Dragon building. Bago. Ang Vietnamese beef. The best Vietnamese beef noodle in downtown. Yeah, it was featured on what? Wow, look at this. Nice. Ning, be careful walking. Dito tayo, guys. So. Yan, oh. Ayan. Oop.
See that? I knew that it should be here.
It's okay, we walk.
Next time, I already paid $2. Oh, look at the moon. The moon at this time. What? One pot or iPad? Ipot. Bahala na kayong magbasa. Ipot, one pot, iPad.
Best ko kahit ano, kahit doon ka kasi nakagitna. Mabilis ang paglabas din.
Okay lang. Here is better too.
I don't go to Edmonton.
Wow, nice building over there. Regency Palace. Puso ko'y
She's laughing. He said, never go to that hospital.
Harry is building in.